Well, apparently my vid cut out there, so sorry about that. But I just looked at the radar for the storm, and the hail core did grow on it. And the hail core is coming right for me directly, and my neighborhood I'm in, obviously. So we may see hail, which if we do, this will be an exciting moment for you guys. So I should be connected to Wi-Fi. Yes, I am connected to Wi-Fi. Okay. So yeah, you can see it's getting heavier. I'm gonna take off my coat real quick, guys, because I don't really need it right now, because I'm on here. I don't really use it for like the heavier rain, where it causes like small water spots and high wind to blow over. In my way, that's why I don't use the coat then. But we do see hail. I'm gonna try and grab a hailstone for you guys. I know that's dangerous. You get hit in the head with one, you can get killed. So I know that. I just want to grab one and actually feel my first ever hailstone. I had the feeling of how the hailstones felt. It wasn't hail its own. It was those like small hail balls, like not actual hail, but like a mix of, it was a mix with like rain and sleet. I forget what they were called, but it was those things. I got hit by them. I was like, God, they like stung. So we're gonna see if we can get any hail here. The rain has picked up a little bit. She's still talking. So we'll wait and find out. Oh yeah, it's getting heavier. The hail.
Gator!
Would you stop?
Hey, it's raining.
Okay, sorry about that. It's just my dad, guys. So yeah, it is picking up. She's really talking. We'll see if hail starts to happen here a little bit. And we did have a big flood, which was the worst flood that happened here in Findlay, where I'm at right now. Only this morning it finally went below flood stage. And now we're getting this, so we're gonna see if it starts to flood again. I don't know if you guys can hear, but the rain is really picking up right now. I really hope to see hail. I know one of the times they had a tornado warning, we did see hail. It just wasn't enough, and it melted away really fast, so I couldn't get any. My grandma did record a video of a hailstorm at where she was. She's like 10 minutes away from here, and she was in a hailstorm, and she recorded it for me. I mean, you can see the sky was really dark black. Well, dark, like really dark gray, not black. It was a really dark gray. Oh yeah, here we come. Here we come. Here comes the wind. Yeah, here comes the wind blowing in my direction. I'll set you guys down and get covered up. So hold on. Because my camera's not wet. Okay. As you can see, where the wind is picking up. And it is raining. And the rain is getting pulled by the wind. You can't really see it. But once everything gets really wet, you'll be able to. Now what? Okay, sorry about that. It was my dad again. Uh, yeah, it's getting a bit more windier. Yeah, you guys can't really tell right now. But just look at the flag. Yeah, you guys can't pick it up on camera. But it is raining really hard now. My mom just got home from picking up some milk that we need. Yeah, it has picked up rain. The rain has picked up, so we may be seeing hail soon. Oh yeah, wind's really picking up again. So we may see the hail core popping out here anytime soon. I'm hoping if it's still there. I don't know if you guys can pick it up on camera, but there is lightning. There's some wind blowing in my direction again. I'm gonna try not to. I'm gonna try not talk too much and let you guys just watch the storm. Oh yeah, you can really see the wind taking effect on the trees. Thank you. You want to stay out here with me? Hell no. My brother just gave me Dr. Pepper. You can see we got RFD, random breaking down draft. So hold on, guys. I got you under my coat blanket so you guys don't get wet, so my new phone doesn't get ruined. So sorry if you can't see anything right now, but the wind is taking effect. So we all punched in the core, not of the storm yet, but of the rain core itself. Oh yeah, rain's coming down faster. I'm just waiting for the hail pop up so I can grab a hailstone for you guys. There you guys can just see. I got you out a little bit to where you won't get wet. So, yeah. Really picking up. You can tell about how windy it is from the flag being so wet. It's pretty much heavy itself down. And the temperature has dropped in this rain. Is freezing fucking cold. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the wind to die down to pull you guys back out so you guys don't get wet. It's like that scene from Twister where they punched the core of the tornado and they ended up with 3 water spout sisters. It's just like that scene. But we're not in a car or anything. The core just punched through us. I was trying to see if the street floods again. It is raining pretty heavy, but still no sign of the hail yet. So I'm gonna end this vid, and I'll continue it after I take a look at the radar. So hold on, guys.